What are we gonna do today?
Today, I'm gonna go into Mosca, which is about 7 miles west of here, and get some mail from general delivery that we had sent there. And then we'll come back this direction and go about 7 miles to the east and drop down and go to Zapata Falls again. We went there last week and found that it was very interesting and wanted to go actually see the falls, because we only got up to the base of it. You have to go through the water and through a cave type thing to see where the water is. And so we're gonna go actually see the waterfall this week.
Okay, cool. Here we go. Okay, so here we are. We're back at Zapata Falls. Zapata. You guys go look it up. Tell us what it really is down in the comments. But we're back up here. We think we got the right shoes, and we're about to make this hike. So what else do they need to know?
Nothing, but if you look out over there,
you can see the great sand dunes over there in the other side over there, but we're not going to look at that right now. So we're just going to get up to this trail. We brought the right shoes. We thought we'd get up here super early. We're like about 8:15, 8:30, and we thought there would be like nobody here.
No, it's already a full parking lot.
Yeah, already they're about ready to go into overflow. So we'll talk to you about it a little bit more in a minute. See you. What are you doing?
And my water shoes.
They call water shoes?
Yeah.
So you won't slip on the rocks?
Yeah.
Got some for me too?
Yep.
Okay, let's get her done. Here we go, it's gonna be cold. I'm just talking, go. I'm gonna have to step into it. Cold? Cold. Patty says it's cold. You gotta walk up to that opening. Okay, we're getting close. We're getting close. We gotta go to this opening. The water is freezing. In some parts, it's up almost to Patty's knees. And it's cold. Hope it's worth it. This is the cave opening that we were talking about having to get to. And we have no idea how far we gotta go up it to get to the falls. And so, it's about to go dark a little. There it is, guys, the Zapata Falls. Oh, wow. Okay guys, so we made it up to the falls, as you can see by the pictures, and now the aftermath. So we come down here. I don't care what you wear on your feet, man, the water's super cold.
Very cold.
And yet, and just feels like you feel every rock underneath your foot, and that was no fun. So we brought these little towels to wash off our feet, you know, because we're older. We're not like, you know, those guys on Less Junk, More Journey and keep your daydream and follow your someday or something. Finding our someday. So we have to protect ourselves. We're just saying, but it was fun. It was cold, and now we're packing up. Probably gonna walk back down. Is it worth it?
Yes.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Zapata Falls, guys.
Zapata.
Zapata. Zapata.
Zapata.
Potato, patata. Tomato, tomata.
Something like that.
All those things. See ya.
Bye.
Hey, one thing I wanted to point out. Patty and I noticed the last time we were here, this is the first clue, is everybody's wearing like flip-flops, and then we see a lot of this, and I don't know if they're up the fall somewhere, but there's somebody's shoes and socks.
Hat and socks.
Hat and socks.
On that fence.
Yeah, there's socks everywhere, so that's a good idea because it'll help warm your feet when you come back, right, baby?
Yeah, definitely. The socks help when you get back.
See ya. Hey guys, one thing you may not know that you should know is that if you have packages that you would like delivered to you, you don't always have to rely on Amazon, including Amazon drop boxes. Here at San Luis State Fishing Park thingy, whatever, you can have them dropped general delivery in Moscow. Moscow will take general deliveries from Amazon or whoever. So that's who we use. We stay out in some of these rural areas. Just food for thought. Okay, I guess I'm just going to show you around camp. This is what camp looks like. Fire pit. It's not too fancy smancy, that's for sure. But there it is. And our little electric bikes. It's pretty nice. Then I'm going to walk around this way, show you the back of the truck. And this is what I fill up when I go to Maverick. Yeah, we're going to inside one of these bays here, and I'm going to show you what I do to keep mice out. This right here is the pump that I use to bring the water into the rig. old batteries inside here. Okay, this is the side of the bay. And what I've done, as you can see right in here, that I put steel wool. See the steel wool? And then I put these two stick things on the side because this is where they come in. This is where the mice come in. No matter what I have there. So I put as much steel wool as I can in there, stuff it, and they don't like steel wool. Since we've done that, knock on wood, it's cut it down because that's their main entry right there. I usually have water hose and the Starlink going through there. That's how the Starlink hooks up in water. And so that's what I've done. And I've opened that and found mouse caught in the sticky things. It's pretty gross. But I got some little clamp things that I use for turning over meat and whatever. I just grab it on the edge of this right here and I pull it out and put him in the trash. Kind of gross, but hey, if you know this life, you know that's what you have to deal with. I'm just saying. Tricks of staying out on the road. Okay, this is the dreaded vault toilet. But I wanted to show you what somebody's done here at this particular vault toilet. It makes it a lot easier to tolerate. Usually you go on these things and they smell so awful. But in this one, and that there on the ground is just a fly trap that they usually hang to keep the flies down. This is a vault toilet and they have a little mat here on the floor. But what they also have done is put one of these fresh things usually you find inside of a car, air freshener, to make it smell a little bit better in here. And it has changed it in here. It's made it a little bit nicer. Not the best, but better. Okay, so I just wanted to finish this vlog up this week. As I said, as I've talked to Patty, we're going to Port Huron Lake and then out to Elvado. And I hope to find some kind of waterfall or something neat there instead of just always just staying on the road because it's cheap. If I go this way, you can see the mountain ranges in the background. It's pretty neat. And you can see the back of our Montana. And I just had Patty climb up there because I don't know if the ladder is going to hold my 250 pounds anymore. It's been a few years. But anyway, you have to check that once in a while too. And so, again, walking around the camp, showing you the camp that we stay at while we're at San Luis Fishing Recreational Lake area, which there's not very much water in the lake. One thing we found out about staying here is the wind and the rain come in every afternoon. The other day it was just knocking us all over the place. But there's the Montana and the truck. And again, just in the camp. And it's a great camp, guys. Really enjoy it here. 50 amps, but no water, no sewer. 2 vault toilets, a dump station at the far end. But make sure you pull your black water first, get all that icky stuff out, followed by your gray water, and you should be okay. Talk to you again. Next video, we're going to Elvado, Huron Park.
Either Elvado or Heron.
Yeah, we're hoping to get in because we really don't have reservations, but the last time we were there, they had no water, but we were able to park on the reservoir and there was like dozens of places open. So we're pretty confident we'll be able to do that. So that's what's coming up next time.